and welcome back to the Kudzukai channel. If you are returning, thank you so much for returning, and if you're new here and just found this video randomly on the internet, thank you so much for clicking on the video, I guess. Today, I know you see this kind of not the prettiest box because I tore off the label and whatnot, but I have this box here that contains a very exciting item. This box contains volumes 7 through 9 of the English version of BJ Alex. So really excited. I actually did a video back in June unboxing the English versions of volume 1 through 6 of BJ Alex. I'll make sure I put it in the cards up here. I think this box right here will complete my set because BJ Alex is a completed series at 9 volumes. So before we unbox, just to give you some FAQs here, I did order these from a site called Harem.io or harem.io. I'll put it on the screen. I believe that site specializes in goods from Korea. I'll make sure I link it in the description below. This box came quicker than the last box I ordered from them. Like, I think I ordered this on the 22nd of October and I got these yesterday on the 27th. And at the time of filming, this is the 28th. And I'm super excited and I'm hoping these are the first printing ones so I could get the photo cards. I actually have a legit box cutter here. I found one in my house, so I'm no longer using an X-Acto knife, but I'll stop my rambling and go ahead and unbox these. All right, this is it. Oh my god. Wow, these are chunky. Oh my god. Wait, stop. These are like thick volumes. These are like thick. Like, look. Look at 9. That's thick. Okay, thick. So I'm guessing volume 9 does have those like side stories. Okay. And look what I see. Look what I see. The first edition with the photo card. This is nice because I really like these covers, so and the photo cards match. Okay, so let me zoom y'all in a little bit so y'all can see what we are working with. So yeah, I'll go through all of these, take off the plastic wrap, show a few panels. This is, as you can see here, this is an 18 plus series. I believe it says 19 here because Korean age, like you're 1 when you're born. So I could be talking out my ass. I could be wrong with that, but I believe that's why it says 19. Oh, I love this part. So it's funny, this part here is because when Squid Games came out, this game here, so there's like a shape and you have to pick away at it to make a perfect shape. And it was funny how this got popular around the Squid Games time when I think they had to play that game during the show. I'm not sure. Never really truly watched it. I love the smell. I love the smell of new books. And it's like, as soon as I took off the like plastic wrap and everything, it just immediately smelled like a new book. I'm excited for this one because like it is thick, so I'm hoping it includes like some side stories between Chungwoo, MD. Yep, it has the side stories. Okay. It has the side stories. Confirmed. Confirmed! Oh my god, yes. So, okay, so it does have the extra side story that's like in color. As you can see, this part here is in full color. Versus, ooh, hold on, give me a second. From what I saw in the scans, like there is a part at the end that was in full color. So I love that this has it. No wonder it's thick. Really excited. For those who know about BJ Alex, know about the extra side story at the end. This does have it. Alright, so there you have it. You have volumes 7, 8, and 9 of the English versions of BJ Alex, plus their perspective photo cards here. Why do I'm standing right now and I feel like one of those people at like the casino, the Texas Hold'em table. Anyway, looks like that's the end of this video here. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing of 7 through 9 of BJ Alex. Like I mentioned in the beginning of the video, I do have another video on my channel that I go through and unbox volumes 1 through 6 of the series. But if you want to see volumes 1 through 6, definitely go check out that video. I will definitely link it in the cards as well as link it below. And yeah, hopefully this inspired you to go and get a full set. I believe on the site as well, you can buy volumes 1 through 9 as like a complete set now. I am rambling, but I hope you enjoyed. And if you have any questions for me about the series, feel free to comment below. Or if you just want to kind of like talk about it in a PG fashion, okay? And definitely feel free to comment that below. Leave a like on this video. And last thing here, we did hit 70 subscribers on the channel as the time of me filming this video. Thank you all so much. Anyway, I'll keep talking if I stay here. I hope you enjoyed. Bye.